A lot of people in the UK have this kind of a window, which is a fixed pane at the bottom and a top hung vent at the top. But most AC window seal kits are usually aimed at tilted windows or casement windows that open to the side that look something like this. And even the window kits that come within AC units themselves are aimed at tilted windows. So if you've been one of those people that's managed to get their hands on a tilted window kit, here's how to install that on a top hung window. So the way you want to do this is by firstly getting the Velcro and cutting that according to the size of the window. I have the Velcro on the sides of the window, and then using the kit itself, or this piece which is like the curtain, and fitting the Velcro on top of that, which gives you this kind of a look. And simply open this up, put the exhaust pipe in the middle and close that back up. But you have a lot of this left over, which is kind of hanging down. I've not cut this up, but you can equally just cut that up and use only that piece. I've basically left it as it is and allowed that to dangle down like this. So it's not the prettiest in the world, but it works. And for a heat wave in the UK, it's an absolute lifesaver. From the outside, it looks something like this, and I'm sure you've seen this become a common sight across the UK.